And Hari also joins us from our Mumbai newsroom. And Hari, that's the real question. What is the face that the BCCI will even have after it comes out of that meeting with the PCB now?
Even before that meeting took place, the government of India making it very clear. Minister Vijay Goyal saying there is no question of playing with Pakistan. Let's also get our sports editor Shumon Ray. Shumon, what concerns the BCCI? Is it not the 440 crore that the Pakistan has sent us a legal notice? Is that the only thing concerning the BCCI? Not the national interests? Not the Kulbhushan Jadhav case? Not the number of attacks that we witness across the LOC?
Well, Hari, I believe that BCCI believes that it's on a sticky wicket, and because PCB has actually given it a kind of a show cause, and that's the reason why it's believing that it should be replying to it, and that's the reason why they are nervous and they are meeting the PCB. So the BCCI must be clear in its mind that nation's interest comes first, and you do not need to actually answer or give PCB or Pakistan Cricket Board a reply to the show cause, because you need not, because it's your nation interest, and also the kind of the situation is the BCCI is not compelled to hold or agree to the MOU. The MOU's sanctity or legal sanction behind MOU is directly related to the country. If the country's government doesn't give permission, there is no question of any cricket or any sports. Adding to what Parikshit had said, that wrestlers and other sports persons, in fact, were denied permission to come to India. For the last 3 or 4 years, we have been seeing that not only the wrestlers and other athletes, but also hockey players, the entire Pakistan hockey team was not allowed for the the league that is being held in India. Also, the Kabaddi League, no Pakistani players are invited. Even they were in the auction list. There were questions as to why they should be taken in the auction list in the first place. But it was there because there was international certain rules. But then none of the franchisee took or bought any Pakistani player, because they understand that it's not going to happen. Even if you take any Pakistan, principally they should not take, and they did not take. Secondly, even if you have any Pakistani players for the auction or you buy any, nobody is going to come.
So they understand. When it comes to Pakistan, you know, Hockey India had come on record to say that we will not play Pakistan under any circumstances. Question is, why can't the BCCI take that line? Why are they trying to, you know, keep both sides happy? Remember, when even the MOU was signed, it was clear and Pakistan was aware that all bilateral series need the government's nod. So it's not like they weren't aware. Every bilateral series only happens after the government's nod. They were aware even at the time when the MOU was signed.